Good evening all. I am Sharmishta from Central University of Gujarat. Today I am going to discuss on challenges to India's security interest in Iran amid the US-China tensions. My presentation is divided in 5 parts and it argues that there are primarily four important bilateral relations shaping the crux of India-Iran relations, that is India's relation with US and China and Iran's relation with US and China. Firstly, I would give a short overview of India's interest in Iran. Then I would move to discussing about other important issues like US-China tensions and domestic politics of India. An overview of India-Iran relations. India's relation with Iran is very old. The ancient Persia shared a strong cultural and historical engagement with India. The Hindus and the Zoroastrians of Persia had many similarities in terms of culture and religion and language, which proved that they had a sharing common linguistic and racial past. In modern day, the official diplomatic relations started in 1950s by signing the Treaty of Friendship. During the Cold War, India's Prime Minister Nehru was following the non-alignment policy and kept India out of any of the power bloc, though Nehru was sharing a strong relationship with the former Soviet Union. On the other side, the Shah of Iran, Mohammad Reza Pahlavi, was much closer to the United States of America. The strong ideological division of the two leaders came in the bilateral relation of the two states. Iran supported Pakistan in the 1965 and 1971 war under the pressure of US. After the Iranian Revolution of 1979, India and Iran tried to engage in new terms. During the 90s, Iran took a new policy to connect with the eastern neighbor. In case of India, it opened its economy around the same period. The new trend in the relationship took a major turn in the Tehran Declaration of 2001 and the New Delhi Declaration of 2003. Both the parties agreed to work together in the areas of energy, transit, transport industry, agriculture, counterterrorism, etc. India's engagement in Chabahar Port. The Chabahar Port project emerged around 90s as a new hope in this context for the interaction of India, Iran, Afghanistan and the Central Asian countries. In January 2003, India, Iran and Afghanistan signed a MOU for the development and construction of Chabahar Port. According to the agreement, the Chabahar route through Malik, Zarang and Dalaram would facilitate regional trade and transit to Afghanistan and Central Asia, contributing thus to regional economic prosperity. In 2016, the three countries, India, Iran and Afghanistan, signed the final Chabahar Port agreement. This agreement came after Iran nuclear deal of 2015 when economic sanctions were lifted from Iran. Chabahar is a warm water seaport located in the Sistan Balochistan province of Iran in the Gulf of Oman. It is located on the Makran coast and has direct access to Indian Ocean. The port is situated at a distance of 808 km from Kandla and 900 km from Mundra port of Gujarat. This port can fulfill India's dream to connect itself with Central Asia, Afghanistan and beyond. India's presence at Chabahar would counter any security threat arising in the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz. India's agenda was to counter Chinese presence in Gwadar through the Chabahar port. India and Iran were sharing a cordial relationship until 2005, but ties have been deteriorating since the US made India's Iran policy a condition for finalizing the Indo-US nuclear deal signed in 2005. Consequently, India voted against Iran in the International Atomic Energy Agency vote that opened the pathway for coercive sanctions against Tehran. Nextly, India's relation with United States and China. India's relation with United States is based upon India's relation with Iran is based upon its relation with United States and China. Particularly, India's US policy shapes the Indo-Iranian relations. India is having a very strong relation with US. The relationship between India and US have transformed from being estranged democracies during the Cold War to strategic partner in the post-Cold War era. US is India's largest trading partner. The states are having strong defense ties. Moreover, India is US partner to counter China in the Asia Pacific. US is the most important factor in Indo-Iran relation. The Chabahar port development has stagnated for the US sanctions upon Iran. Later in 2018, US imposed sanctions on Iran after pulling out of 2015 Iran nuclear deal. This time India had to stop importing oil from Iran. The Chabahar port development was exempted from US sanctions, but India and Afghanistan had faced problem in banking transaction from bilateral trade through Chabahar Port. India's relation with China. China is India's largest neighbor and a major threat towards its security. India is having a complex relationship with China. India and China is having border issues. In 1962, they had war on the disputed Himalayan border. China has the policy of encircling India, so it had a presence in various ports of South Asia like Chittagong, Hambantota, and Gwadar. Its activities are rising across the Indian Ocean region. Through its BRI program, China has heavily invested in Iran, and there are speculations that Tehran might bring China for the Chabahar Port development. Iran's relation with United States and China. Iran is having the most complicated relation with US. In 1979, the last Shah of Iran was overthrown for his close proximity with US. The revolution was organized under the leadership of Ayatollah Khamenei, and an Islamic Republic was established. Ayatollah overthrew the Shah in the name of religion and regarded US as the great Satan, eventually leading to the current rift between US and Iran. Iran and China. China and Iran is having a pragmatic partnership. The relationship is based on mutual interest. China has its economic interest through BRI to invest in Iran. On the other side, Iran has no other option but to join China under US maximum pressure policy upon Iran. Iran and China are entering a new partnership where China will invest total $400 billion in banking, transport, and development. In exchange, Beijing expects to receive a heavily discounted supply of Iranian oil over the next 25 years. The deal is a part of China's BRI plan. After the news of this deal came, there were reports that Tehran was dropped to New Delhi from a key railway project along the border with Afghanistan. At the same time, the Golan Valley standoff was going on between China and India. US-China tension, coming to the main part. The US-China normalization started almost 40 years ago, but from 2018 onwards, the tension has increased. Trade is a major area where the two states have been locked in a battle. US President Donald Trump has long accused China of unfair trading practices. In China, there is a perception that US is trying to curb its rise as a global economic power. US has accused China of attempting to build a maritime empire in the South China Sea area. They are having major contradictions on coronavirus issue, Hong Kong and North Korea. Recently, the relationship reached the lowest point when US demanded China to close its consulate in Houston. On retaliation, China ordered US to close its consulate in Chengdu. The US-China tension has created a Cold War-like situation. China is expanding its empire in smaller and weak countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Iran. On the other side, countries like India, Australia, Japan, along with the US, is trying to confront China's rise. In this complex situation, India needs to reformulate its Iran policy. Repercussion from domestic politics. Iran has condemned Indian government for erasing the special status of Kashmir. Iran has also criticized India for the communal violence in Delhi, especially targeting the Indian Muslims. In conclusion, India-Iran relation is going through a difficult phase. India needs to reshape its policies for Iran. At the same time, US is important for India in keeping security in Indo-Pacific, to combat terrorism and its entry in the UN. At the same time, Iran is important for India for being a close neighbor who could secure its energy needs and connectivity with Central Asia and Afghanistan. India can use its soft power and people-to-people connection in Iran to leverage the relationship. India should adjust its relation with Iran while maintaining strategic ties with US and other countries. India should resolve its domestic issues, otherwise the foreign relation would be hampered. Thank you.